Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on school picnic. We went to Kabban Park in Bangalore for our school picnic. The park has a lot of green space where we played games like cricket and frisbee. We enjoyed a nature walk, exploring the tall trees and beautiful flowers. There were picnic spots where we sat and had our snacks together. We saw many birds and enjoyed bird watching around the park. Teachers organized fun activities that kept everyone excited and engaged. The peaceful atmosphere helped us relax and enjoy the fresh air. Kabban Park is very easy to reach because it's close to the city. We learned about different plants, trees, and wildlife in the park. The picnic was a memorable experience and we had a lot of fun with our friends. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.